Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to fix TikTok liked videos not showing. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. Here you can see all the liked videos. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy. You can find an option of liked videos. If you click who watch your liked videos only me, then you can only see your like videos in your liked option, and if you want that your followers can see your like video, you can select your follower. That was the procedure that how you can show your like videos on TikTok. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.